I just love it when I walk around the corner and I see moms exchanging numbers and setting up play dates, because that's what it's about.
So let's give everybody a little background on you, on Triada, how you came up with your concept, why you wanted to work with moms and babies specifically in this, because that's a very niche area for chiropractic, because most everybody else is like, yeah, come in, we'll get you crack. Push you back out the door, right? And yours is definitely not that.
Nope, we are not high volume. We know our people, which makes it so fun because we're very community based. I just love it when I walk around the corner and I see moms exchanging numbers and setting up play dates, because that's what it's about, or to do life together. And I'm not doing any of this alone.